Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Instagram new post not showing problem. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, check your internet connection and set date and time correctly. After that, update your Instagram, open your Play Store, search your Instagram, update your Instagram. After complete the update, check your Instagram working or not. If not, open your settings, go to the apps, search your Instagram, press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this sentence. This app's data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other apps data. Then press on OK. Check once again your Instagram working or not. If not, last and final method friends, reinstall your Instagram, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix new post not showing in Instagram. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.